Why does every episode start with me in it? Uh-oh, that ain't good. Well, why aren't you saving the... It's elimination time. How did this dummy get here? Can I join? Yes. Gosh, I really need a plan. Oh, I know. I can use my real form. Whoa, why does this place look familiar? Wow, good job, Einstein! Wait, where's all the music? So, let's do the elimination. Now! I'm just gonna use the same old thing. But reading them out one by one is just more easy. Why can't you do that? Well, it said not logic. Remember that, circular. Okay, fine, I will do it. Only just this once, okay? What the skippity fan effect? Can't we just get on with the elimination? Okay, fine. If you're safe, you get an atom. Can we do it the short way? Well, anyways, the first person safe is... Oh yeah, I like to do your thing. Anyways, I'm gonna use pieces to make since nobody likes to win in these eliminations. Wait, the song almost over. No! Did I just hear the song ended? Another music. Now I chose this to be 5 minutes long, so that will equal 7 minutes. So, yeah. I saw a cat. Now, let's start off with the elimination. Red circle is safe, so he gets an atom. Oh yeah, I love my atom. You don't get a prize. Pixel does. So does colored pen. How does that change? Wow. Why do you sound like that? Oh yeah, it's okay. You're also safe. Oh yeah, thanks. Yeah, I really was trying to... Oh my god, Plus, why did you do this? We cannot even hear her. Whoops, not my problem. Yeah, Plus, do we really have to do this? Yes, you do. Do we even get paid? Nope. Yeah, I'm done doing the eliminations. Well, that was weird. Dude, you're really important. I love these silly questions. But no time. Bro, Plus, can you turn down the music? Lol, I said no. Anyways, I'm all out. Haha. I'm about to strangle whoever says that's nuts. Well, anyways, I'll go back to the mountain. Today's challenge is today's new challenge is to fix the blue mountain. What is that? Well, time to go there. I did not say no. Huh? I said the timer hasn't started. Oh, okay. Do we have any you know. I'm gonna mimic him of what he said. Huh? I'm gonna... Well, I guess that means the timer started. Now go. Yeah, let's not use the tools. Whoa. Watch where you... Bingo. You two are a pain in the... Hey, stop that. Never. No! I don't know about you, but I don't think she's good. Uh-oh. What a dramatic moment. And guys, why is there a camera in the mountain? Well, due to it's like phew. I'm going to walk up because the music is keeping... Oh, wait, the music is Ross, can you turn it down? I'm gonna ruin your life. Okay, at this point it's useless. See, I told you. Wait, the music's finally over? Yay! Well, guys, you don't have to say hi. It's gonna be split into 2 parts. Gosh, I'm gonna send you right now. You know what? The music's not stopping for anyone. Haha. I'm skip with that. Huh? What? You're clipping over the music. No, oh, okay. Yay! The music is actually finally over. So now it's stopping for anyone. But remember, there's 2 parts. Wait, no! Man, it sucks that we can't be a part of it.